Hello everyone. So today we will solve a problem and the name of the problem is reverse a linked list. Okay. So this is our original linked list. So the original linked list is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and we have to reverse this original linked list. So after reversing the original linked list, this will be our answer 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. So this is our input and this should be our output. Okay, we have to basically reverse a linked list. Okay, so how we can reverse a linked list? So this is very easy problem. Okay, so suppose this is the scenario. Okay, so these are the nodes of a linked list. Okay, and suppose we have reversed some part of the linked list. Okay, so let's say the name of this node is previous node. The name of this node is current node. And let's say the name of this node is n. Okay, and this list goes on. Okay, so here is null. Okay, so let us assume we have already reversed this part of the linked list. Okay, now we have to reverse the remaining part of the linked list. Okay, so what we will do here is, first of all, we have 3 pointers: previous, current, n. Okay, so we have 3 pointers: previous, current, n. So the first step what we will do, we will save this node. Okay, I have to save this node. So node star n. What is n? This is basically the next of the current node. Okay, so I created this pointer n. Now what we have to do, so after reversing, what should happen? This current pointer should point towards this. Okay, so the second step is very simple. The next of current, it should point towards the previous. Okay, and this node, this link will get broke. This link will get broken. Okay, so this is our second step and our link will get broken at this point. Okay, now what we have to do, so previous will become current. Okay, so this previous will come here. Okay, now previous is pointing towards current. Then we will do current equals n. Okay, so now current is pointing towards here. Okay, so this is current now. And we have reversed this part of the linked list. Okay, again we will put this code inside a loop. Okay, so what will happen? So this is current, this is previous, and this will be our n. Again we will break this link and we will make this link. Again this will become previous, this will become current, and it will go on. Okay, it will continue. Now I am repeating one more time. So let's say this is my previous node, this is my current node, and this is my next node, and let's say there is one more node and then the end of the linked list. Okay, so the first step, we have to save this node. So for saving this node, I am creating a pointer, so node star n, which is basically the next of current. Okay, we have to save this node. We have to save this node because we are going to break this link. Now the second step is break this link and make this link. So basically next of current is pointing towards the previous. Okay, the next of current is pointing towards the previous node. Then I will make previous here. Okay, previous will point towards the current node. Okay, so this is previous now, and then what we have to do, current will come here. Okay, so this will be current. So current is basically n. Okay, so this n that we have saved. So current is basically this. Okay, then again we will execute the same code. Okay, so this is current, this is n. This link will get broken. I will make this link. Then it will become previous, it will become current, then this will be n, basically n will be null. Okay, n is null. Then I will break this link. Then it will point here. Current ka next of current is pointing towards the previous. Then previous will come here, and then current equals n. N was null, so basically the current will become null. Okay, so when the current becomes null, so I will make the condition of the loop is while current is not equals to null. So when current becomes null, that means my linked list is reversed, and this is our head. Okay, this is our head of the reversed linked list. Head is basically nothing, it is previous only. Okay, head is basically nothing, it is previous. So after this loop, our head is nothing but previous. Okay, now what will be the initial condition? So initially, so now let's say this is our original linked list. So basically current is nothing but head. This is previous, which is basically null. So previous will be null initially. Okay, and this will be our n. Okay, now this question is present on LeetCode. Okay, reverse linked list. This question is present on the LeetCode, and now let us write the code. Okay, so we need 3 pointers. Okay, we need 3 pointer: previous, current, and n. So current pointer, which is head initially. We need a previous pointer, which is basically null, and we need a pointer n. Okay, so first let us write the loop. So while current is not equals to null, what we have to do? We have to do 4 steps. First, save the next node. Okay. First step, save the next node, because we are going to break the link in the next line. So I have saved the next node, and now we can break the link. Okay, so the next of current is previous. Now we have to move ahead. Okay, so for moving ahead, previous equals current, and current equals next, basically n. Okay, next means n. And when the loop is finished, basically the head of the reverse linked list is nothing but previous. So we will return previous, and that's all. Okay. Now let's submit the code. So what is the time and the space complexity of our solution? So the time complexity is linear, and the space complexity is O1. Okay. So the time complexity is linear and space is constant, O1 space. Okay, so this was very easy problem. Okay, thank you.